I just jumped a rabbit. You can see the tracks here. I was looking at the tracks and he went right in this hole. Right here. He was in this clump of grass. Right here, and he come out right there. Run right on around through there. Down around. And went down through the woods. Down that way. So I'm putting the dogs on. Here, Craig! Tally-o! 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 Come on, Craig! Tally-o! Tally-o! I just happened to see the tracks. And I seen the tracks here around and up there in the path, and I thought, is them squirrels or rabbit? Seen where it went in there, and I went to kick that, and before I did, he come out of there. So we got a rabbit right here. Come on! Hep, 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 hep! Tally-o! 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 Come on, Greg! Tally-o! 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 Come on, Greg! Come on, Greg! Evidently there's tracks all over. The dogs don't want to come. And I got him a hot rabbit right here. I started out in that timber, but I didn't see much. No tracks out in there, but I thought, well, I'll get out of the timber and get over in these crabs. And you can see what this looks like out through here. But trying to get the dogs in on this hot rabbit. Come on, Craig! Tally-o! 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 Get down here! Tally-o! 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 Here! 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 Tally-o! 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 Here! Here! Get in here! Man, they got tracks everywhere. They ain't wanting to come to me. Come on! Here! 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 Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Here! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Here! 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 Get down here! Get down here. 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 Come on. Here. 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 Get in. Get it. 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 Crick. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. He's right in under this clump of grass here. Here, Crick. Get it. Get it. Here. 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 Get it. Get it. Get it. Here. 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 Here, Crick. Here. Here. Crick. Crick. Here. 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 Get it. 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 Get him out of there. Get him out of there. That's where he was. That's where he came out of. He nested in there. Just perfect. These two don't have no trouble smelling with their big noses. Now you turn to the right. Yep. Well, there they go. They'll probably cross the hall, I would guess. There's a road down there. And I'd say you'll cross that road and be down in below. And I ain't even got a gun. I don't shoot any rabbits. Worth speaking of. See what time it is. Oh, it's about 5 till 12. 5 minutes till noon. You can see the snow still already started. See the snow coming down toward the trees there and all. Sure is pretty. It's pretty out here. I love being out in this stuff. You know. So we'll see how long they run this rabbit. It'll probably run to the hole pretty quick, I would imagine. With all the snow on, but at least we did get one up. Get to hear a chase before we got to put him up for a while. Snow's going to be deep after this. So, see, that rabbit might come back up across this road and go on the upper side there. I'd say they're heading down there across that road. Be my guess.